This is a video showing how to submit an assignment from a phone if you are using Google Classroom. We are going to be giving Schoology the boot because it keeps crashing and I am just fed up with it, so that's gone. So if you go into Google Classroom, just download the app, go into Google Classroom. I signed up for all 3 of my algebra and pre-algebra classes just so I could see what it looks like from your perspective. But you would just have one of these sitting on your Google Classroom. So let's say you are in pre-algebra 4th block. So you can see at the very bottom of the pre-algebra 4th block, right here underneath the course, it says pre-algebra 5.1 assignment, and that was the most recent assignment that I assigned as of when I'm making this video. So you could click on that assignment beneath that pre-algebra 4th block class header. So if I click on the actual assignment down here, it opens the assignment right away. So that's one way and the easiest way to get to an upcoming assignment. But let's just see, if I go back to here, if I go into the course, I could go into classwork at the bottom here. This middle tab says classwork, and then scroll down to the bottom, and there I also see that pre-algebra 5.1 assignment, and I could click on it from there. So 2 ways of getting to the assignment, but again, the fastest way, if you're in your classes section here, the fastest way is to just click on the assignment right from that home page. All right, so either way, you're going to get to this page. If I just click on this up arrow right there, what that's going to do is open up this menu that says add attachment or mark as done. If I click mark as done, on my end of things, I am not going to see that you submitted an assignment. It will still say missing. So you can't just click mark as done and assume that it's going to show up as being done on my end. You have to click add attachment. And then let's say you took a picture of it, you could go to file and then you could select it from your file browser. If it is in your Google Drive, you could link it from there, or if it's on some other platform, you can link it from there. But you could also just take a photo right from Google Classroom, which is kind of nice. So you could just click take a photo, and then it would take a photo. You could take a photo from Google Classroom and then it would upload it from there. So let me just say, okay, I'm gonna take a photo of my assignment. There's my assignment, which is really just my keyboard. And then let's say, okay, that's good enough. Giving it a second here to finish uploading. There we go. All right, so now I could type in a comment here. I don't want to do that though, so I'm just going to say turn in. So I'll click turn in, and then I'll click resubmit. I already submitted it once. So it said resubmit. It will just say submit on yours for the first time. The reason it said that on mine is because I just made the video for a computer for submitting an assignment, and I clicked the unsubmit button. So let's say I turned this in and I went, oh man, that picture was blurry, I shouldn't have turned that in, or maybe you selected the wrong file. You can click unsubmit, and then it will take it out of being submitted, and then I can no longer see it. So you could hit the X right here and then remove the attachment entirely, and then you could upload a different attachment instead. So that is how you turn in an assignment on Google Classroom from your phone. One more last thing about this mark as done button. If you do click that, what it's going to do, let me just show you here. I'll just click resubmit. Oh, great. So now that's gone. So I clicked marked as done, which now there's no way to turn in the assignment. It's just going to show up on my end that you clicked marked as done, but it will still say missing. So if you clicked marked as done, what it's going to do on your end is it's going to remove the assignment so you no longer see it. So beneath that pre-algebra block 4, there used to be an assignment there. It's not there anymore. So you don't want to click marked as done. You want to submit the assignment, because ultimately I will not give you credit unless you submit it. So if you clicked marked as done, you can go back in here, unsubmit, and then add attachment. So let's say you accidentally click that button, then you can still go back in, unsubmit, and then attach the actual assignment. And that's it.